हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों आज हम लोग बात करेंगे हाइड्रोलिक मशीन के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में, जो कि आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड अदर एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। दोस्तों बढ़ते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ आगे। क्वेश्चन पहला कह रहा है कि अ मैकेनिकल डिवाइस टू इंक्रीज द प्रेशर एनर्जी ऑफ अ फ्लूइड। अ मैकेनिकल डिवाइस टू इंक्रीज द प्रेशर एनर्जी ऑफ अ फ्लूइड। राइट आंसर इज दैट pump. राइट आंसर है इसका पंप। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। इट रिड्यूस द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ सेपरेशन एंड cavitation in reciprocating pump. It reduce the possibility of separation and cavitation in reciprocating pump. The right answer is that air vessels. Is that air vessels. Question number 3rd. Reciprocating pumps having two section pump pipes and two delivery pipes, one on each side. Reciprocating pumps having two section pipes and two delivery pipes, one on each side. The right answer is that double acting pump. Is that double acting pumps. The next question, question number 4, is that indicator diagram for a reciprocating pump is dash in shape. Indicator diagram for a reciprocating pump is dash in shape. Indicator diagram for a reciprocating pump is dash in shape. The right answer is that rectangular. Is that rectangular is the right answer. Next question, question number 5. Acceleration head in the middle of the suction and delivery stroke in a reciprocating pump is dash. Acceleration head in the middle of the suction and delivery stroke in a reciprocating pump is dash. The right answer is that 0. Right answer is that 0. Next question, question number 6. The frictional head in the middle of the suction and delivery stroke in reciprocating pump is that. Is maximum. Is maximum. Next question, question number 7. A cast iron chamber having opening at the base through which water can flow. The right answer is that air vessel. Air vessel is the right answer. Next question, question number 8. Air vessel allow the pump to run at a higher speed and save dash due to lesser acceleration head. The right answer is that power is power due to lesser acceleration head. The next question, question number 9. Question number 9 says that the normal forces acting at a stationary flat plate by impact of a jet is proportional to dash the velocity of jet. The right answer is that square. Is that square. Question number 9 is that the normal force acting at a stationary flat plate by impact of jet is proportional to square of velocity of jet. Question number 10 is that if a water jet at a velocity v strikes a flat plate moving at a velocity u, then force on a plate is proportional to. Right answer is that is v minus small u का whole square is the right answer. Next question, question number 11. Question 11 says that maximum efficiency that can be developed by a series of moving plates hit by a jet of water. The right answer is that 11 ka is that 50%. Next question, question number 12 is that too high and too low tides in a sea occur in. Too high and too low tides in a sea occur in is that 24 hours 50 meters. Question 13 says that hydro plants which utilize the same water by recycling using pumping. The right answer is that pumped storage plants. Next question, question number 14. Hydel plants up to 100 kilowatt capacity are called dash hydel plants. Right answer is that micro hydel plants. The next question, question 15. Hydel plants in which powerhouse is located along the main course of the river. The right answer is that run of river plant. Run of river plant. Next question, question number 16. The passage by cutting the mountain to reduce the length of waterway between the reservoir and the powerhouse. The right answer is that is tunnel. Is tunnel. The next question, question number 17. Question 17 says that a pipe to carry the water from reservoir to the turbine house. The right answer is that pen stock is the right answer. Next question, question number 18. A dam constructed to raise water level and to divert river flow in another direction.